Welcome back to Island Life Live. You could call our next guest disruptors. Why? Because their innovative Solar for All initiative is shaking things up in Hawaii's solar industry.
On top of that, we're giving away a 12-person boat cruise. Let's meet the team from SunSource Power.
Yes, and we have with us Dustin Deniz. He is our managing partner, and Nhut Pham. He is our senior commercial project manager of SunSource Power. Thank you, guys.
Oh, thank you so much for having us.
Coming back right here, brother. Good to see you. Welcome back. And you know, we're loving the incredible news that you guys got. Now, Dustin, please, you've been with us a few times over the past couple of months. Can you give me an update on how things are going with SunSource Power? And also for those new viewers that are watching, please help us understand what this Solar for All initiative is all about.
Yeah, it's been actually really exciting over the past month and a half or so that we've been kind of working, we've been on with you guys and kind of reaching out to the community as well. It's, our program has been taking off with the no money down, no money out of pocket, zero financing. So no financing, no credit checks, none of that stuff, right? So really removing all those barriers to entry to get a solar system on your home, not having to worry about all of these challenges, right? So we did a design for Davey D's home as well too, so we're looking forward to that.
So cool.
Yeah, it's a pretty awesome campaign, and I think the community is really loving it. A really nice piece of this is that we get to help the community, people who haven't been able to get solar or thought it wasn't really possible for them because of the money out of pocket they have to pay, not having thousands of dollars, or not having stellar credit, or just not having enough credit to be able to get into a system. Now we can help these families to reduce their energy expenses, to be able to put more money in their pocket, so we can all live happily here in Hawaii. So.
Yes. Ooh, a lot of homeowners are going to be so happy.
Yeah.
For sure.
So this is really great for the residential homes. What about businesses? Can they take advantage of this as well?
Yeah, definitely. We have a similar offer to the residential, no money down, no credit checks. And we've been able to help businesses of all types, including nonprofits like churches, gyms, supermarkets, golf courses, warehouses, and across all the neighbor islands, as well as Oahu, where we're on Kauai, Maui, and Big Island. We have a concentration of projects over there. The main thing is for business owners, we can fix your rate of electricity and help make savings for your bottom line. And then you know your costs, and you're able to do that for 20 years moving forward, and we'll maintain the system for you.
This is exciting, guys. I think you folks are, while I'm sitting here listening to you, I just kind of feel a lot of hope for families and it makes sense. The sun shines 300 days out of the year here in Hawaii. Why are we not harnessing this one power source, Yeah, exactly. So thank you so much for making this possible. But on top of all of this, wonderful, we are breaking down those challenges and those barriers. Now you folks are spoiling us with this wonderful giveaway.
We love it. I want to be spoiled.
Yes,
be spoiled. It's okay.
So please tell us about this wonderful giveaway, this 12-person boat cruise, plus, again, more on how families can connect with you folks.
Fantastic. Yeah, we're partnered with Island Magic Hawaii as well. They're a boat charter cruise, and they're going to be, we're giving away a charter cruise for 12 people, up to 12 people. Just go to our Instagram, sun_source_power, and you can see our the post that we have there. Please go ahead and enter. You can follow us, Island Magic Hawaii and us at SunSource, and then tag your friends. Share it on your story if you can, and we'd be happy to have you guys out on the boat. Oh, this also includes a photo package as well too.
Wow!
So it's over a $3,000 deal that we're giving away. This is really something, again, we like giving away things. I guess.
Apparently.
That's fabulous.
Makes us happy too.
Yes,
so.
Absolutely. Solar systems and boat cruises. I love it. Dustin Deniz, Nhut Pham, SunSource Power. Again, that's sun_source_power on Instagram, or of course, sunsourcepower.com. Thanks you guys so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We'll be right back with your birthdays on Island Life Live.